Is it time to buy or sell Coinbase stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Coinbase. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 23rd of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 12th of May, 2025, our system has identified Coinbase as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.63. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 48.44% since we initially recommended Coinbase as a buy candidate 29 days ago. This equates to an average return of 1.67% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper section of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This situation typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of this trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $310.31 would indicate an increased rate of ascent. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 62.56% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 31.97% to 64%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 8.52%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 44.52% and positive 26.54% over the next year. In current terms, this would mean the future price could range from $170.64 to $389.23. Our latest daily update for Coinbase includes the headline, Coinbase stock downgraded to buy candidate. The Coinbase stock price experienced a decline of approximately 0.256% on the last day, which was Monday, the 23rd of June, 2025. It dropped from $308.38 to $307.59. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 6.68%, ranging from a day low of $294.56 to a day high of $314.25. Over this period, the price has seen ups and downs, with a total gain of 22.41% over the last 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume decreased alongside the stock price, which can be seen as a positive indicator, as volume typically follows stock trends. On the last day, trading volume fell by 14 million shares, with a total of 17 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $5.3 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $349.75, while the lowest was $142.58. Currently, the stock price stands 12.05% or $42.16 below the 52-week high and 28.39% or $121.95 below the all-time high recorded on the 14th of April, 2021, when it peaked at $429.54. Coinbase Global Incorporated is currently at a critical juncture as its share price experiences fluctuations due to recent events. On the 23rd of June, 2025, the company encountered a significant decline of around 7% following the disclosure of a serious cybersecurity incident, raising concerns about its internal controls. This added volatility may create short-term unease among investors, influencing rapid trading activity and amplifying risk perception. However, this setback occurs at a time when Coinbase had previously witnessed substantial growth, including a recent surge of 16% after the Senate approved a landmark regulation bill concerning stablecoins. This regulatory clarity is advantageous for Coinbase, as it positions the company to take advantage of the stablecoin market, which is anticipated to grow significantly in the upcoming years. Their collaboration with Circle for USDC is crucial in this growth strategy, diversifying revenue streams beyond just trading fees. Additionally, the introduction of the Virtune Coinbase 50 Index exchange-traded product, offers Coinbase further market exposure, potentially attracting new investors and stabilizing its share price in the long run. Overall, while immediate concerns about cybersecurity may impact sentiment, Coinbase's strategic adjustments and increasing revenue from stablecoins indicate a pathway toward recovery and growth, setting the stage for potential upward momentum in stock value in the future. Long-term prospects appear promising, particularly with a rising emphasis on innovative financial product offerings and strong adoption trends within the cryptocurrency sector. Analyst Ratings. On Tuesday, the 27th of May, 2025, it was reported that Jefferies assigned Coin a hold grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned Coin a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 13th of May, 2025, it was reported that Oppenheimer assigned Coin an outperform grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 13th of May, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned Coin a buy grade with an upgrade action. On Tuesday, the 13th of May, 2025, it was reported that Monnes assigned Coin a buy grade with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned Coinbase stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts recommend the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Coinbase. The Coinbase stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between the two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. If there are downward corrections, support will likely be found at $272.92 and $248.78. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been generated, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was issued following a pivot top point on Friday, June 20th, 2025, with stock value having decreased by approximately 25.6% since then. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Lastly, the trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk since volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal from 2 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal from 2 days ago, short-term moving average, buy signal from 6 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal from 44 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 42 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 6 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal from 29 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 20 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Coinbase. Coinbase finds support from accumulated volume at $295.29. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. The stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved $19.69 between its high and low, representing a change of 6.68%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 8.3%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Coinbase, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued, or that investors are anticipating significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 91 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can greatly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Coinbase. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Coinbase is at $308.38. If you do not hold any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already owning the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Coinbase faces its first support level at $295.29. Should this support level hold, it may represent a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Coinbase from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 18th of June, 2025, Kramer Kelly A. made an insider purchase of 1,268 shares of restricted stock units. On the 18th of June, 2025, Davies Krista made an insider purchase of 1,252 shares of Class A common stock. On the 18th of June, 2025, Davies Krista made another insider purchase of 1,167 shares of restricted stock units. On the 18th of June, 2025, Davies Krista again made an insider purchase of 1,252 shares of restricted stock units. On the 18th of June, 2025, Lutka Tobias made an insider purchase of 1,100 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we found the insider power to be negative with a ratio of 0.000. In total, insiders purchased 0 shares and sold 0 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $296.34, reflecting a decrease of 3.66%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which inherently increases the associated risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal triggered by a pivot top identified just 1 day ago. Is Coinbase stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Coinbase stock to perform well in the near term. However, due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have adjusted our analysis conclusion for this stock from a strong buy to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 24th of June, we expect Coinbase to open lower by approximately $2.12, starting at $305.47. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.